Hello everybody, take my salam. And lately the situation is unbelievable because of the situation is terrible in our country only for students. So government out to 2 days ago, if government is obey in our student community come, but no terrible situation we are not look at in our country. So I am very shocked in this reason. So I hope a lot of students are die in our country, but it is very unbelievable. So as a result, government should out in no time this event are solution mandatory in our country.